EVOLIS is the organization of the industrial equipment business from France. It is representing 20,000 plus employees in the French territory, producing equipment for production. Speaking about sustainability and productivity in the French machine tool business. Sustainability is not within the machine or the plants or the organization, it's within the people. Sustainability means long term, and today the key point about this is to train the next generation of people. So when we speak about decarbonation, it's not really about the machine itself, it's the user of the machine who is doing the job. But the question is how to help the customers to produce the same thing with less consumption. Consumption of energy, consumption of time, consumption of oiling system, consumption of toolings, so consumables. So the real topic we have today for consumption is not the machine consumption of electricity, it is first how to use the machine at the best efficiency, let's say carbon-wise, and second, to have the machine lifetime as long as possible, because the machine is producing more carbon when we produce it than when we use it. So the longer time we use the machine, the best the carbon percentage is over the lifetime of the machine. Another point is about the French and Indian cooperation in machine tool business. So one is really clear. India is producing machines and India is importing machines and importing many more machines than producing machines. So there is a very small flow of export from India to import in France. On the other side, it's a bit different. In France, we produce less machine than we need. So we produce machines, we have exportation and importation, and basically the balance is we import more than what we export. And we export mainly in Germany today. In India, it is some French machines, especially with the high-tech industries, so space industries, electronic industries, of course, aerospace industries. And this is where the French industry is exporting things.